Higgins minors, case number 23156.
We are on record this morning on a number of motions. May I have the names of our participants, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Ariel Berger here, the guardian ad litem.
Ms. Tasha Thomas, counsel for the department.
Chelsea Grant for the department.
Good morning, Your Honor. William Amadeo, P76194 for the Department of Peering via Zoom.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alex Liza, who will appearing on behalf of the respondent father, who sits to my right.
Your name?
Matthew Virgil Higgins Jr.
All right.
Your Honor, I do have to make a quick statement. I stand corrected in that the adjudicatory phase is different than the termination phase. And
Yes,
I confused that a little bit in my paperwork, but I already apologized to sister counsel. I sent an email previously that I stood corrected. So, but other than that, I mean, my motions still have validity, obviously.
I have approximately 11 motions filed, counting the show cause. Does that sound right, Mr. Lizahoop? One from petitioner, I think.
I've got 9 total.
All right, which ones would you like to address if you could?
I thought maybe the court would want to do it in the order that they were filed.
Which motions do we want to address?
First, the petition for the motion to quash, because the ruling by this court on that dovetails into 2 other motions, so we can handle 3.
Can you just tell me which motions you have that you would like answers to this morning?
Response to the motion to quash, motion in limine regarding the CAC interview, motion in line regarding the striking the CAC interviewer from the witness list of the petitioner. I've got 2 motions, counsel's motion, affidavit, and motion for an order to show cause as to Leanne Higgins. Counsel's affidavit and motion as to order to show cause as to Todd Bailey. Respondent's motion in limine regarding defendant's convictions. Respondent's motion in limine as to not making any allowing any testimony as to the credibility of a witness. Motion in limine regarding that no comment can be made about civic duty. And the last motion I have is the motion to amend the protective order to allow the CAC interview transcript to be disclosed to respondent's expert.
All right, Mr. Amadeo, Ms. Thomas, who's going to be taking point for today?
I think that would be me. I don't know how, Mr. Amadeo, I don't know how long you're gonna be able to be with us.
That's true, Your Honor. I'm here as a backup today. I have some medical procedures going on, so I may have to log out, but I didn't want to not show up.
All right, thank you. Does the summary of the titles of the motions by Mr. Lizahoop sound like everything we need to tackle today?
Yes, Your Honor, on Thursday, I did file a response with a motion for protective measures. I don't know if those have been received by the court. I know that the clerks received them, just not sure if they made their way into the file quite yet.
And Your Honor, when appropriate, I think we need to discuss some of the discovery that was handed over to us. That was one of the things on our agenda today.
Your Honor, I was not aware that there was going to be an issue regarding discovery.
I wasn't either. I have a petitioner's notice of intent to use alternative procedures. Proposed voir dire questions and jury instructions and verdict form from respondent. I'm not sure I have your, oh, here it is. Petitioner's consolidated response to respondent's motions. Yes, sir. All right. You have a preference, Mr. Amadeo, as to whether or not we go right into the motions, or do you have something that we need to talk about at sidebar as relates to discovery? What's your?
I think a sidebar briefly, Judge, if that's acceptable.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Your Honor.